Hi there, my name is Mitch Harlabidis, and in this video we will continue working on my seventh practice set of exercises dedicated on preparing us for the SAT exams, and more particularly we will work with an exercise that is focused on the y-intercept of a function. Here we go. In the xy plane, what is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph of the equation y equals 2x minus 8 over x plus 3? Let's quickly remember some theory. In order to find the y-intercept of a function, all I need to do is go and place 0 instead of x and then solve for y. So I'm gonna go in the given equation 2x minus 8 over x plus 3, and like I said, I'm gonna put instead of x number 0. So I'm gonna place 0. That will become 2 times 0 minus 8 over 0 plus 3, and from here we will solve for y. Before we do that, let me give you a quick reminder. This exercise is just one question from a full SAT paper I have just created. You can find the complete paper in the link below the video. So let's continue. Y equals 2 times 0 minus 8 over 0 plus 3. This is easy to see that 0 minus 8 over 0 plus 3, so negative 8/3, and this makes A the right choice for us. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. As always, thank you for watching.